Hey, what's up guys? It's me, WHYnotBrix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change or modify character in Attack on Titan Tribute Game 2. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're always updated. And let's get started. Alright guys, let's start. Go to Tools and click the Character Editor. And now we are in Character Editor. In the Character Editor, we have Costume, Stats, and Preview. Inside the Costume, we have Costume Set. You can rename it, create, delete, copy, import, and export. We have a sex option, eye option, face option, glass option, hair option, costume, boots, cape, and logo. And the bottom is the color. We can discuss it later after we choose the right equipment for our character. Eye 17, face 2, glass none, hair M4, costume M0, boots 1, cape, and logo 1. I think logo 1, yeah. And now we are in color section. You can change your skin color, hair color, shirt color, straps color, pants color, jacket color, and lastly, boots color. I think it's done. Oh, not yet. We are here in stats section. In here is you can increase and decrease axle, speed, gas, and ammo. Like this. I think the axle is 100, speed is 85, gas is 85. And I don't use ammo. And you can see we can edit the perks. Inside the perks, you can see the points left 3. And we have 5 options: refill time, durable blades, advanced alloy, vertical dash, and omnis dash. So you can choose wisely. We have some preview section, weapon, emote. So I use blades, and which is the emote. I think salute is good. Save and quit. Now let's go to multiplayer. Let's test our character. So you can see there's a WHYnotBrix skin. So I want this cape because I need spin. So guys, that's all. Thanks for watching. Watch the gameplay. I appreciate, bro. Subscribe and click notification bell so that you're always updated. Bye bye guys. Bro, look at this. This is funny. Bro, got skills here, bro.
could fix this, yeah. If there's something that you need to say, I know